Hi there, my name is Adam with Fuse Service, showing up your feed for a quick reminder that we install your electrical vehicle charger absolutely for free. If you're gonna install this electrical panel with Fuse Service, you're gonna get for free installation for EV charger to fit your amazing, wonderful piece of technology, maybe Tesla, BMW or Hyundai, whatever you want. Please note what we are not providing the EV charger itself for the customer. The customer should have it, and our free installation only includes when the electrical panel and EV charger together up to 3 feet. It's going to be absolutely free. If it's going to be a little higher, it's a little bit increase the price, but overall it's absolutely for free, as you know. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.